Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Applebottemgs here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. And today, guys, I have an unboxing. But before we do that, I just want to say, guys, thank you for sticking with me. You guys it really means a lot. You know, I've been really busy because I'm back in school and I'm working part-time, so I haven't really been able to play my video games or take care of my car. It's just kind of trashed right now, and I haven't really posted anything really, but I promised you guys before that I would post a video a week, and I haven't kept up on that. But I found a little bit of time to make this video of this unboxing because I need to open it, and it's been here for a little bit. So here we go. As you guys know, my 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer ES, it has some, I need some paint correction. So this is automotive touch-up paint, if you guys can see that right there. And I got this from automotivetouchuppaint.com. Basically what you do, you go there and you put in your make, model, and year. So 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer, and then it'll bring up all the different submodels. Like I said, I have an ES, so you put in ES, and then on that year it will display all the colors that were made for that year. So my color is Octane Blue, that's the official name. So I ordered that because I need some paint correction. So here's the box. Here it is, and I just went ahead, ripped off my label and ripped off the tape, so we're good to go. So let's get through this paper in there. Oh, it's in the paper actually, so there's that. Throw the box, yeah, over there. Okay, so in the paper is our lovely package, and it's upside down. Throw that over there. Okay, there we go. So there's the three that I got, and then it looks like, oh, okay, so there's a little, like, decal, there it goes, how to apply this sticker. It's a sticker decal for your car. And talking about, this is my whole order, and what I got. So, if we flip to the other side, it cost me $23.81. Alright, so the first one that we're looking at is, okay, so this is the Mitsubishi paint, the touch-up paint 10006. The base color, which is Octane Blue. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is the half-ounce bottle, and it comes in this little tab case, so everything's nice and tight and secure. So there's that. There's the primer bottle. This is all three of these are the half-ounce gloss clear coat touch-up paint clear. Okay, so there's that. Maybe if I try to see, maybe if I put it like right there, it's exactly like, I can tell it's my car because it has that little sparkly blue. But I just want to see if it comes with like, oh, okay, yes, it does. Because remember, guys, I've never used this before. Oh, wow. It smells like nail polish. Okay. Sorry about the unfocus. It smells like nail polish. But the caps come with these little brushes. So that's good because I thought the brushes came separate. I'm so dumb. But, guys, that's basically it. That's the unboxing. Here we are. This is Octane Blue for the Mitsubishi Lancer ES. And I'll be using this to correct my paint. Maybe I'll do a video on that, maybe not. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.